Hey guys, here's how to use GoPro voice control. This here is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. First, we want to go ahead and enable voice control. So we're going to swipe down for preferences and make sure that voice control is blue. We're going to go to preferences and then voice control options. And here we can customize a little bit more. We've got voice control on, and I've also got wake on voice. Let's give them a shot. I'm going to power it off here. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. There are quite a few different voice commands you can use. Some of them are only available on certain models, and some of them are available across the board. I'm going to quickly go through the ones that are available across the board here. So we have GoPro, start recording. GoPro, highlight. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, shoot burst. GoPro, start time lapse. GoPro, stop time lapse. GoPro, photo mode. GoPro, video mode. GoPro, time lapse mode. GoPro, burst mode. And then finally we have the turn off function. GoPro, turn off. Now, the GoPro turn on function is only available on the Hero 8 Black, Hero 7 Black, 6 Black, and 5 Black. Additionally, there's GoPro capture and GoPro stop capture. Now, those last two are only available on the Hero 7 cameras. But that is an awesome option that you have. So if your GoPro is maybe on a selfie stick or something where you can't quite get to a device, or you don't have a remote, you can use voice commands to make sure that it gets recording for you. Thanks for watching.